Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is July the 16th. I am out here in the Decula, Georgia area. This is a client that has their home on the market for sale. They was actually referred to us by a neighbor in the community that we have done work for before. So actually, Kevin is out here in the carpet cleaning truck. He's cleaning the carpets and also cleaning the concrete basement and the floors. And I'm going to be doing the screen and recoat on the engineered floors. Busy day today. I actually have 2 consultations to do after this. Had some consultations that booked last night and this morning to get on the schedule. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we're doing. All right, so again, out here in Decula, Georgia, you can see this house right here is for sale. That's the truck that I used to be in for about 4 years. So this is my carpet cleaning truck, and I'm in my little hardwood maintenance truck today. Yeah, bringing back memories. So yes, we still clean carpet, upholstery, tile and grout, basement floors. Like I say, I'm going to be adding the countertop service also into our business model as well. All right, guys, so let's go in here, see what we are doing. That's my case. All right, that's our cellar door. All righty, so I kind of timed this so Kevin won't be in my way. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is these engineered floors, screen and recoat. I'm going to be putting a satin finish. Just like 981 square feet, $2 a square foot for screen and recoat. Get some lights on in here. Kevin has already cleaned the carpets, and now he's in the Kevin. All right. So that's the carpet cleaning right there. He's did, and now he's about to go to the basement and do the concrete. He did the stairs. So yes, we do clean carpets. Kevin, yes sir. So he's about to do the basement. Go take a look at these carpets. Carpets were not bad. We do charge $75 per area for carpet cleaning. Oh yeah, carpets look great. Nice. All right. I think this was 8 areas carpet cleaning. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my buffer in, start screening this floor. I'm gonna get it coated. I'm gonna go off and have lunch because my 2 consultations, one is in Snellville and one is in Loganville, so they're close by. All right, guys, go ahead and get started on these floors.
You ever heard of CDI Electric in North America?
Back from lunch. Floors look amazing. Look really, really good. Came out really good. All right, guys. Go ahead and call the client. Let her know that we're done. Get the payment. Lock up the door. And then I am going to go get two, I'm going to go do 2 consultations. One in Snellville, one in Loganville. The one in Snellville is actually a repeat client. I want to get her floor screened and recoated. And actually had some good inquiries come through while I was on lunch. Lady in Atlanta want to get the floors clean and buff for a house her daughter's moving into. And then I had another inquiry come in for a commercial property that also they kind of trying to decide if they want to do the clean and buff or they want to screen and recoat it. But they said the floors are brand new. Somebody came in, put Murphy's oil soap all over the floors, and they cannot get the floors clean. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. Thanks again. See you in the next one.